Hi traders, I am speaking with the latest strategy I put here. It is Turbo F4. This is a manual strategy, so this is not auto trader, which you can use both for forex trading and still for binary options trading on all time frames. It can be used. If you use binary options, let's say on M1, you see now is one trade running out. What are the rules? The rules are when you get the trade, when you get the arrow, you must confirm it with few things. This is the yellow line must be below the pink, and the price must be below the also the pink line. So somewhere here you will take 5 minutes to 10 maximum, usually 5 or maximum 10, both in the money. And here also we have one trade. This is somewhere here when the yellow line is over, in this case over because you have buy, and the candle or price must be also that moment of taking the trade over the pink too. So somewhere here, let's say that we would take it at the beginning of this candle. So as you can see, 5 minutes or 10 minutes, usually 5 minimum, 10 maximum minutes, and you will be in the money. Also here, very clearly. Also on M1, you can use it for scalping forex. So here we have a good example. So you will open the trade here and you will keep it until the second in a row red candle. So here you will exit 10 pips, you see, because it's M1 time frame, of course, or second take profit. If you are advanced trader, you will keep it until the next red arrow, but you will have still the same profit of 10 pips. Here, if you take it somewhere here, until now you will have 13 pips, you see. So this is how to use it. The same rules. Of course, you can use it on all time frames. Let's see, this is M5 time frame. Let's trade for binary. Binary, you will take it somewhere here, or let's say at the beginning of this candle. 30 minutes expiry or 6 candles, you will be in the money. But for forex, the trade is still in. You see, the trade is still in. 51 pips with M5. This is fantastic. Why we are still in? Because we do not have any elements to close the trade. For closing the trade, if you remember, you need 2 in a row red, or you need a red arrow. Then we'll exit. So here we are still in the trade. Let's see one for forex. Maybe also you can use higher time frames, especially daily and 4 hours, if you do not have time to watch your computer non-stop. So in that case, with higher time frames, you can watch your charts one time a day or 4 times a day, or if you are on 1 hour time frame, every 1 hour you can check your charts. It's up to you what style of trading you like, and of course, if you have some job, steady job, then you will not be at your computer 8 hours per day. So let's see the rules. With 1 hour time frame, you will take it somewhere here or at latest here, and you will keep it until here, 96 pips, because we are waiting the green arrow to stop, or the first take profit here, about 30 pips, because there are 2 in a row white candles. Let's see this one. here we can take a trade, but we'll exit here if we are conservative traders, or we'll keep it until the red arrow, first one, 61 pips. So let's see the daily charts. So the daily charts are very good because one time a day you will check your charts. You can open many pairs, 10, 15, 20, and every day at the open of the Asian session you will receive signal if the situation market will give you signal. But if you open 10 pairs or 15, you will have at least one, maybe two, sometimes daily trade, but there are very big quantity of pips if you enter a very good trade like here. So first one when you can exit is here, 230 pips with one trade. Or if you are advanced trader, here when you have a first arrow opposite, so green one, you see how much you can win, 928 pips. So it's really enough to have one per week, good enter, and you will make only with one trade, but you will have at least few. So with this daily time frame, the possibilities are enormous. You can make few thousand pips per month, at least 5,000 if you follow the rules. Or of course it depends about market, but about 5,000 pips per month. And if you trade with lot size only of 0.10 lot size, that means that you will earn $5,000. Only with this trade will give you $900 profit. But imagine that you have bigger amount, that you trade with one lot size, then this will give you about $9,000. $9,000 with one trade. Do you need anything else? No. Let's go to 4-hour time frame. This is the gold, and we have a new trade, but it's not confirmed. Why? We have an arrow, and even the price is over the pink, but the yellow line is still down, and it is not confirmed trade. And you see the strong trend, so still it is not good to enter. But the first one, we would enter here, and if you keep it until here, 365 pip, or you will exit here because there are two in a row white. You have only let's say only 140 pips. Here we have another one, daily chart. Quickly, let's see. We would enter somewhere here, and we can keep it. You see, we do not have any element why we should leave this trade or close, but here we can close with 800 pips because we have two in a row white, or we can trade until here 890 pips. And in meantime we have another one which is still active. It goes in the direction of the trend, very good. So here we can enter somewhere here for now we would have 200 pips. Here we would enter, but in this case, if we enter somewhere here, we would exit here with 26 pips because you have 2 in a row. And you see the trend is against us. Always, if you can, trade with the trend direction. And of course, I forgot to say, it is always very good to have here a confirmation. You see, this is good to be 0 or below. If you have a sell trade, or if you have buy trade, it must be over the 0, and green and green. And the last one, what we have here, Euro JPY on 4-hour time frame. You see, guys, these all 3 arrows are in the money, but with this you will have smaller profit. With this you will have big amount of pips, and with this, but all these are in the money. This strategy is 80 to 85% accurate, following these rules, of course. You will not enter if you do not have it confirmed. And I forgot to say, this is fully 100% not repainted arrows. So what you see here, this is reality. This is not repaint, removed, or anything. So let's study the last one. First one we get here, we would exit here, and you would make only 22 pips, but okay. But then the next trade came, you enter somewhere here, and you will keep it until here, 128, or until the next red, 250. It depends about you. Then you will get another one confirmed, and it's still okay. For now we have 57 pips. We do not have any reasons to get out of this trade because we do not have 2 in a row white candle, and we do not have green arrow. As you see, guys, this is fantastic system. It can be used in all ways, for forex, for binary, on all time frames, on all currency pairs, on stock indices, for Bitcoin. This is something you can use anywhere, anytime, anywhere, and it's accurate, it's not repainted, and as you can see, it gives not very good, it's excellent, fantastic results. So guys, if you need any info or something about this Turbo F4 strategy, please only you can get answer on my email below, binarytools777@gmail.com. And I wish you a nice weekend. Bye bye.